Well, such as it is, I have this curb fine DC41 animal. It's been sitting there for, I don't know, 2 weeks and been a while, and I don't know anything about it. I have no idea if it's going to work or not, but it definitely has some issues there, and it might even have some issues there. Here's the reverse side, and I believe I figured out that the part of this handle assembly is cracked, like right in here, because this doesn't want to fit very well. So it may or may not be worthwhile doing anything with. So let's have some fun with it. Make sure you got a reasonable view here. I have no idea what it's going to do. I didn't bring it inside, by the way, because this is someone else's dirt and I don't know what's in there. So I normally don't do that. Oh, we got a slightly bent plug. Not too bad, but enough. Okay, it's in there. See what happens. Okay, it didn't come on. Didn't smoke. Take a look at this inner filter here. That doesn't look actually too bad. That looks pretty dirty. Alright, let's turn it on. Well, sounds like it might be a little clogged. See, look at that. I go to pull the hose out, and I mean that's what comes out. It's like that. So let me take a look at this. See what we got. Anything? Ah. Yep. So we definitely have a clog. Gee, what a surprise. And if you can see that, got this little problem right here. Okay, so you can hear the relief valve popping. Gee, what a surprise. But it's got some other issues. And I think this might even be damaged. Let me flip this over. Well, yeah, let's get you in a little closer. Pretty terrible looking, isn't it? And, oh, look at this. They kind of spin independently. I'm not so sure that's a good thing. I wonder if something's broken. Oh, brother. Should I even bother to try the brush roll at all? Let's see what happens. For better, for worse. Did some hit you? So this is obviously a disaster. But guess what? Long time ago, if he remembers, a Mr. Thomas Rechtenwald, never mind the squawking bird there, gave me this. And this was in good working shape when he gave it to me. So what's funny is I have another power nozzle. But you know what I don't have? I definitely don't have this part of the ball assembly here. I mean, the cover, you know, the wheel, I guess you could call it, at least one half of it. That might not be too hard to get, but this is all cracked. So I'd probably have to replace more parts than that. But anyway, let's take it apart and at least clean up what we can, and then maybe I'll make some decisions later on. Yummy. Pork. Sticky. Go. Well, this base plate isn't too bad. Look at that. Look at that mess. Yeah, something, I don't know, something snapped here, gear or whatever it is. Let's see, is this going to fit in here? Oh, maybe a little smaller. Here's somebody that didn't bother to do anything with their Dyson. So what do we got? Well, something has melted. This doesn't have a way to connect anything else. I mean, that is, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, it's, yeah, that's melted. Yeah, whatever. Take the other one off, just because I like wasting time. So remember, if something sounds funny with your vacuum, or something gets clogged, just run it until it goes poof. And then buy another one. Because that's the kind of people we are these days, isn't it? No maintenance. Never even bother to look at anything. Yeah, that one can still do something. But this side here, nope. So this is really kind of a lost cause. I know. I hate to bother. I don't know. You guys like actually watching me cut hair off of things? I mean, I can do that just for the sake of the video. There we go. So I can replace this. Oddly enough, this, well, I mean, I can have one end, I guess. It's kind of interesting. How about we do this? You know, I guess I can clean that. I'm sitting here looking at it going, well, that's what this channel's all about. Nice long hair. Just like my wife's. So much to cut through with this thing. Maybe I should run this at fast speed so I don't bore you too much. What else? Is there anything in here? Well, that's not clogged right there. No, it isn't. Okay. Let's see what's going on right here. I'm trying to get this in. Here we go. That's what I want to do. There's that. Ooh, that's chunky. Jeez. Will that clean up or not? This looks more or less okay. Put that in there. And, oh, I know. Let's take a look and see what's in this thing. Of course, then we got that come out. Let's see if it sounds like it's clogged anymore. Nope. Actually sounds pretty good now. Look how dirty all that is though. Wow. Dirty, dirty. Alright, so the clog's in there somewhere. So how dirty do you think this is going to be? How black will this be? And of course, it does have a lovely mold and mildew smell. And this takes care of, well, pretty much everything. Well, at least everything smells nice now. find out what's stuck in that tube. What is stuck in this thing? Because there's something that's stuck in there. Yeah. Well, whatever it is that's really in there, I'm going to have to really heave-ho. What is that? There's something there. Let's see, won't do anything. Oh, look at that. Whatever that is. Let me try this side. Ah, there we go. That's it. Oh. So in the end, it was a nickel plus all that junk, and that completely clogged this tube. Wow, amazing.